it's Saturday morning again, and I'm going to make breakfast. I usually film my videos on weekends. Look at this flower. And then this one too. This is one of my favorites here. And they are from like a packet of seeds. This is 4 o'clock. I'm not sure what color. And then that's Cosmos. And then this one too is beautiful. Look at this purple flowers are the flowers. Oh, I hope I was able to water all the way out there because it's going to be like really hot today. Hello, bee. But right now I am going. This is new. This one is new too. I haven't seen this before here. I'm going to pick some of them again later. But this one I'll leave here. I'll show you again. Oh my, this is so beautiful. And look at our orange trumpet with a mockingbird. Harvest some strawberries because I'm going to make crepe. So these like strawberries are ready, and there are more over there. This, and then here too. There's some more over there. So we have 5 here. I'm going to harvest them before they become like super duper ripe. They usually end up being super ripe. And then here. From here, it's like super ripe, like almost like mushy. I'll just like throw this away. And there's more on this side. That one. Here are the strawberries. Now let's make crepe. Here are the ingredients: strawberries from the garden, melted butter, vanilla, egg, a cup of water, Nutella, and then the crepe mix. You just need to mix them together. The water, and then the egg. I'm washing the dishes, so the dishwasher is pretty loud. And then a little bit of vanilla. This is a pure vanilla extract. I think this should be good. And then I'm going to put this butter here. I'll just brush this with a little bit of butter, and then I will use the rest on the butter mix, the crepe mix, just so it doesn't stick. And then pour this here. Let's do this one. Now I'll just flip this. And this should be ready. I just need to put Nutella. On this side. So I can fold it this side. And then I'll save some for Josh. He's still asleep. I'm going to make another one later. This one is for me and the husband. We're going to share this. There you go, and then just fold like that. I am using the coffee that we got from Swork in Eagle Rock. This one, Monarch. Here, Eagle Rock's original coffee bar is there. It's called Swork. There's the inside. Beautiful. What are you getting, Josh?
I got the Swiss latte. Oh, do you want to ask me?
Are these the coffee? Are these coffee? Tanzania Lemon Natural, I think sounds interesting. Maybe this one.
Hi.
So here's Swork. Here's where we got our coffee. I think this is whole bean, and then this one is like ground. We asked them to grind this one. So Monarch is a dark chocolate, sorghum, cherry, dried berries, thick and syrupy. And then this is more of traditional. Monarch is a blend of natural Ethiopia and washed Latin America coffees. This one is Tanzania Lyoma Natural. Plum, black tea, molasses, red fruits. So this is for our espresso and cappuccino. Traditional, this is more of modern. The other one is traditional. This one is from Tanzania, the villages of Lyoma and Mafumbo that produce this coffee. So these are the two that we got from Swork. Coffee is ready. Just make sure. Then let's bring the crepe. And here's our breakfast, crepe and coffee. There you go. And I have a beautiful view of those orange trumpet.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Josh. Those oysters, Josh.
So 1 dozen oyster.
Yeah.
Gusto mo tayo na lang pumili? Can we just split?
Two veg.
Oh, pareho rin lalabas.
I think spin drift was good last time. Spin drift was good last time.
I remember.
And here's the bread. Sourdough bread. They sold over 4 million oysters last year. That's like truckloads of oysters. Here is my
It's not
gold
that
card.
hot. It's warm.
Good octopus caponata.
So you got the Fanny Bay, Malaspina, Blue Point, Spin Fleet, or Spin Drift, Well Fleet, Riptide. Okay, so right around in a circle.
Pacific Eastern.
Yep, I did it the same way you told me, and I put it in the exact same way, so he did it too, okay?
You're awesome. Thank you.
This is Blue Point. And then I need this one. The mignonette.
The regular mignonette.
Earlier was like very spicy. This is halibut and mac and cheese. Halibut and mac and cheese. We just split it. It's just actually one order. And then husband is
I
happy.
have the Chilean sea bass with
Chilean sea bass.
sweet corn and JD's favorite mac and cheese.